Looking to declutter your yard and protect your outdoor gear? Discover the top 5 best outdoor storage sheds that combine durability, style, and smart design. Whether you need space for tools, bikes, or patio furniture, these top-rated sheds offer the perfect blend of function and flair to elevate and organize any backyard space. Number 1. Keter Manor Outdoor Storage Shed. The Keter Outdoor Storage Shed is a stylish and durable solution for all your outdoor organization needs. Measuring 51.2-inch WX 75.6 DX 78H on the outside and 43.7 WX 69.7 DX 74.8H on the inside, it offers a generous 131.8 cubic feet of storage capacity, perfect for keeping your yard tools, garden equipment, patio furniture, and even a push lawn mower neatly stowed away. Crafted from polypropylene resin plastic and steel reinforced for added strength, this shed is designed to withstand the elements. It's weather-resistant, waterproof, and UV protected, ensuring it will never peel, rot, or rust. And it never needs painting. The built-in skylight and window allow natural light to brighten the interior, while vents ensure air circulation, keeping contents fresh. Beyond function, the Keter shed impresses with its wood-like texture, blending seamlessly with any backyard aesthetic. Its versatile design makes it a practical and attractive addition to any home, offering a secure and organized space that maintains its beauty over time. Whether you're tackling clutter or upgrading your outdoor storage, the Keter Outdoor Storage Shed delivers reliability with style. Number 2. Rubbermaid Outdoor Storage Shed. The Rubbermaid Outdoor Storage Shed, 7 by 7 feet, is a powerhouse of practicality and strength, ideal for homeowners needing spacious and secure outdoor storage. Designed to house everything from riding and push mowers to patio furniture, garden tools, and even large trash cans, this shed offers sensible, high-capacity storage with convenience in mind. Constructed with double wall panels and robust wall connector pins, it delivers 50% more wall strength than previous models, resisting warping caused by heavy items or harsh weather. The reinforced roof can bear up to 15 pounds/square foot of snow, making it perfect for year-round use. For easy access, the shed's doors open a full 180 degrees, letting you move bulky items in and out with ease. Thoughtfully engineered, the shed features an integrated rain gutter for water management and 50% improved ventilation for enhanced airflow, keeping the interior fresh and moisture-free. A lockable design adds a layer of security, lock sold separately, while its sleek, sturdy appearance blends seamlessly with any backyard setup. With its innovative design, increased durability, and versatile functionality, the Rubbermaid Outdoor Storage Shed is an excellent investment for anyone looking to protect and organize their outdoor essentials. Number 3. Patiowell Outdoor Storage Shed. The Patiowell Outdoor Storage Shed is a compact yet highly functional solution for organizing your outdoor space. Perfect for use as a storage or tool room, it fits effortlessly into any backyard, garden, or patio, offering a tidy and secure space for yard equipment, tools, and more. Built with thick galvanized steel, the shed boasts a durable, non-corrosive, and UV-resistant structure that stands strong through all weather conditions. Its overlapped wallboard design is both waterproof and moisture-proof, ensuring the contents stay dry and protected year-round. A lockable door enhances security, deterring theft and keeping out curious critters. The sloping roof adds a practical edge by allowing extra overhead space while effectively preventing rainwater buildup and rust. For added safety, plastic caps cover all sharp corners and screws, reducing the risk of injury during assembly and daily use. Installation is straightforward thanks to the detailed step-by-step instructions, making setup smooth and stress-free. Please note, a base is not included, and it's recommended to check local HOA regulations before installation. With its smart design, weather-ready materials, and versatile usage, the Patiowell shed is a reliable and attractive choice for any outdoor storage need. Number 4. Suncast Heavy-Duty Outdoor Storage Shed. The Suncast Outdoor Storage Shed offers a perfect blend of style, strength, and spacious functionality, making it an ideal solution for homeowners needing reliable outdoor storage. With exterior dimensions of 8 feet 4.5 inches, WX 10 feet 2.25 inches, DX 8 feet 7 inches. H and a roomy interior, 7 feet 9 inches. WX 9 feet 9 inches. DX 8 feet 4.5 inches. H. This shed provides ample space to store everything from power equipment and ladders to long-handled tools and bikes. Its classic design features architectural details and a metal-reinforced, shingle-style roof, adding both curb appeal and durability. Constructed from multi-walled polypropylene resin panels, it's built for long-lasting strength, resisting weather and wear with ease. The reinforced floor is tough enough to support heavy-duty equipment, including riding mowers or tractors. Skylights and windows are strategically placed to allow natural light in without compromising the shed's structural integrity. The wide 60-inch WX72H door opening ensures easy access, while lockable doors with a padlock hasp offer added security, lock sold separately. Combining beauty with brawn, the Suncast outdoor shed is a top-tier choice for protecting your outdoor gear with style and confidence. Number 5. Aoxun Outdoor Storage Shed. The Aoxun Outdoor Storage Shed is a smart and reliable choice for anyone seeking a durable and versatile storage solution. Constructed with heavy-duty galvanized steel and a reinforced frame, this shed is built to endure the elements, boasting wind resistance up to grade 6, 24 to 30 miles per hour, and a snow load capacity of up to 6 inches. Its thick metal roof and reinforced wall panels ensure long-term stability and strength. Measuring 79-inch LX50 to WX74H, 6 by 4 feet, it offers ample space for storing outdoor essentials like snow blowers, bicycles, garden tools, furniture, and even toy cars. Optional storage racks, sold separately, allow for further organization of smaller items such as tools, umbrellas, and antennas. The sloped roof design helps with efficient drainage, preventing water accumulation and rust, while integrated vents enhance airflow, keeping the interior fresh. Padlock-ready doors provide both easy access and added security, padlock not included. Beyond storage, this shed can serve as a garden tool room, garbage enclosure, or even a pet shelter. Assembly is simple thanks to clearly labeled parts and a detailed manual. With excellent customer support, the Aoxun shed combines functionality, durability, and peace of mind for any outdoor space.